High above us, a special house floats in space. This is the International Space Station, or ISS. It is our home in space. The ISS travels around Earth very fast. It moves at 28,000 kilometers per hour. Astronauts live and work on the ISS. They teach us about space. They do important science experiments. The ISS is a sign of what we can do when we work together. Life on the ISS is busy. Astronauts are constantly engaged in various tasks that keep the station running smoothly and ensure their own well-being. From scientific experiments to routine maintenance, every moment is accounted for. Astronauts have a full schedule. Their day is meticulously planned to maximize productivity and ensure that all necessary tasks are completed. This includes everything from conducting research to maintaining the station's systems. Their day starts with waking up and eating breakfast. Breakfast is crucial as it provides the energy needed for the demanding day ahead. They often eat a variety of foods, including fruits, cereals, and specially prepared space meals. They then clean themselves and the station. Personal hygiene is vital in the confined space of the ISS, and astronauts use rinseless wipes and no-rinse shampoo to stay clean. Additionally, they spend time cleaning the station to prevent the buildup of dust and debris. Keeping the ISS clean is important. A clean environment helps prevent illness and ensures that all equipment functions properly. Astronauts follow a strict cleaning schedule to maintain the station's cleanliness. After that, they check their schedule for the day. The schedule is usually displayed on tablets or laptops, and it includes a mix of scientific experiments, maintenance tasks, and personal time. Astronauts need to stay healthy in space. The microgravity environment can have various effects on the human body, so regular health checks are essential. These checks include monitoring vital signs, muscle mass, and bone density. Every day they check their health. They use specialized equipment to measure their heart rate, blood pressure, and other vital signs. This data is crucial for understanding how the body adapts to long-term spaceflight. They send information back to Earth. This includes not only health data but also the results of scientific experiments and other observations. Constant communication with mission control ensures that any issues can be addressed promptly. Doctors on Earth make sure they are doing well. Medical experts on the ground review the health data sent from the ISS and provide guidance on any necessary treatments or adjustments to the astronauts' routines. Exercise is very important on the ISS. The lack of gravity means that muscles and bones can weaken over time, so astronauts follow a rigorous exercise regimen to stay fit. Astronauts exercise for 2 hours every day. They use specialized equipment like treadmills, stationary bikes, and resistance bands to simulate the effects of gravity and keep their bodies strong. This keeps their bones and muscles strong. Regular exercise helps prevent the loss of bone density and muscle mass, which are common issues in a microgravity environment. When their work is done, astronauts sleep for 8 hours. A good night's sleep is essential for maintaining cognitive function and overall health. The sleep environment on the ISS is designed to be as comfortable as possible. They sleep in special bags attached to the wall. These sleeping bags prevent them from floating around and ensure they stay in one place. The bags are designed to be cozy and provide a sense of security in the weightless environment. Space is vast and seemingly infinite, but the International Space Station, or ISS, is a small, confined space. The ISS is like a 6-bedroom house, but with a twist. Imagine living in a place where every inch of space is utilized efficiently. The living quarters are compact, and astronauts have to adapt to a lifestyle where personal space is a luxury. The astronauts live and work in close proximity to each other. They share their daily routines, meals, and even their leisure time. This close-knit environment fosters a unique camaraderie, but also requires a high level of cooperation and understanding. Privacy is limited on the ISS. With only one bathroom for the entire crew, astronauts have to coordinate their schedules meticulously. The bathroom itself is a marvel of engineering designed to function in zero gravity. Personal hygiene in space is quite different from what we're used to on Earth. Astronauts take sponge baths to stay clean. They use a minimal amount of water, which is a precious resource on the ISS. To aid in their hygiene routines, astronauts use special soap that doesn't require water to rinse off. This soap is designed to be effective in the unique conditions of space. Water is incredibly precious on the ISS. Every drop is conserved and recycled. Astronauts have to be mindful of their water usage at all times. The ISS is equipped with a sophisticated life support system that generates oxygen. This system uses a process called electrolysis, which splits water molecules into oxygen and hydrogen using electricity. The life support system is crucial for maintaining a breathable atmosphere inside the ISS. Astronauts regularly monitor the system to ensure it is functioning correctly and that the air quality remains safe. Regular checks of the air quality are essential. Astronauts use various sensors and monitoring devices to keep track of the levels of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases. Ensuring the air is safe to breathe is a top priority. Astronauts follow strict safety procedures and protocols to address any issues that may arise, making sure their tiny world remains a safe haven in the vastness of space. The ISS is like a giant science lab. Astronauts do many experiments there. Some experiments help us learn about Earth, others help us prepare for future space travel. One experiment is growing food. Astronauts grow plants in special containers. They even grew and ate lettuce in space. Other experiments test new technologies. These technologies can be used on future missions to the Moon or Mars. Living in space is different from living on Earth. There is no gravity on the ISS. This is called zero gravity. It is fun to float around, but it also creates challenges. Astronauts need to adapt to this strange environment. Simple tasks become difficult. Eating, sleeping, and even going to the bathroom require special techniques. Astronauts also need to be careful with resources. Water and food are limited. They must conserve everything and reduce waste. Every drop counts. Voices from above. Astronauts are brave explorers who venture into the unknown, pushing the boundaries of human experience and knowledge. They embark on missions that take them far from the comforts of Earth into the vast expanse of space. These missions are not just about scientific discovery, but also about understanding our place in the universe. They share their experiences with us through various forms of communication, including video messages, interviews, and live broadcasts. These insights provide a unique perspective on life beyond our planet, offering a glimpse into the daily routines and extraordinary challenges faced by astronauts. They tell us what it's like to live and work in space, describing the sensation of floating in microgravity, the meticulous nature of conducting experiments, and the importance of maintaining physical and mental health in such an isolated environment. Their stories are filled with moments of awe and wonder, as well as the occasional frustration and difficulty. They talk about the challenges and the rewards of their missions, from the technical difficulties of repairing equipment to the emotional strain of being away from loved ones. Astronauts face numerous obstacles. Yet, they also experience unparalleled rewards, such as the joy of scientific discovery and the profound sense of accomplishment that comes from overcoming adversity. Some astronauts say that looking at Earth from space is an awe-inspiring experience. The sight of our blue planet floating in the blackness of space evokes a sense of wonder and humility. It is a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our home. They feel a deep connection to our planet, often describing a newfound appreciation for its natural beauty and the interconnectedness of all life. This perspective, known as the overview effect, has a profound impact on many astronauts, influencing their views on environmental conservation and global cooperation. They realize how fragile and precious our home is. The thin layer of atmosphere that protects and sustains life appears incredibly delicate from space, underscoring the need to protect our environment and preserve our planet for future generations. Astronauts also talk about the importance of teamwork. In the confined and challenging environment of space, collaboration and mutual support are essential. Each member of the crew plays a vital role, and their success depends on their ability to work together seamlessly. They rely on each other for support and success. The bonds formed in space are strong, built on trust, shared experiences, and the common goal of advancing human knowledge and exploration. These relationships often extend beyond the mission, creating lifelong connections among astronauts. Water is life. Water is very important on the ISS. We need water to drink and to stay healthy. But taking water to space is expensive, so astronauts recycle their water. That means they clean and reuse the water they have. They even recycle their sweat and urine. This might sound strange, but it is very efficient. It allows them to have fresh water for drinking, cooking, and washing. working together. The ISS is a symbol of international cooperation. Many countries work together to build it. Astronauts from all over the world live and work together on the ISS. They share their knowledge and cultures. They show us that we can achieve great things when we work together. The ISS is a reminder that we are all part of one human family. The future of space. The ISS is helping us prepare for the future of space exploration. What we learn on the ISS will help us travel farther into space. We dream of sending astronauts to Mars one day. The ISS is a stepping stone to that goal. It shows us that we can live and work in space for a long time. It inspires us to keep exploring the universe and unlocking its secrets.